In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android tablet touchscreen not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, a non-responsive Android screen is usually caused by a system process locking up or a physical interference like a dirty screen protector. Now, this works the same whether you're on an Android phone or an Android tablet. So the easiest method to go ahead and do this is the force restart method. So what you're going to do is on the right, you're going to see a bunch of different things like the volume down, volume up, and your power button. So press and hold down your volume down and your power button together. Hold it for at least 15 to 20 seconds until the screen goes black and the logo reappears. This is often called the ghost freeze. What you could also do is if you have any screen protector on your phone or anything like that, go ahead and remove it, as a cracked screen protector can trap moisture or create phantom touches that block your actual finger. Remove it to see if the glass barrier ends up working for you. And also clean your hands and your screen as well. Ensure your hands are dry, as modern ultrasonic touch sensors can fall if there is oil, water, or lotion on the display. And if the screen works but clicks things on its own, remove any chargers like a faulty or noisy third-party charging cable can interfere with electrical current of a touch digitizer. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.